What are some remedies available to people facing student loan debt? Attorney David Hagen says, in the bankruptcy context, there aren't many. You can file an action against the student loan lender and ask that your loan be discharged on the grounds of undue hardship, but the test is pretty tough to meet. You have to show that you cannot maintain a minimal standard of living if forced to repay the loan, that this state of affairs is likely to persist for a significant period of time, and you have to show that you made a good faith effort to repay the loans. This is called an adversary proceeding, which is like filing a lawsuit against the lender within the bankruptcy. It ultimately will include a trial. Another alternative is to just disappear, work a job that does not pay wages, or just leave the country. However, these are poor solutions, and they don't resolve the situation. It simply entails running from it. A third type of possible solution is, I call, administrative solutions. Here, a borrower will look at the type of loan and see if they can do certain kinds of service or work in certain kinds of jobs, and see their loan amount voluntarily reduced by the lender, or if the federal government will give them credit towards paying off the loan. My niece, for example, has student loans, and she got a job teaching at a school that was considered underprivileged. She found out that in addition to getting a salary, she gets credit toward her student loan. The problem with that is, you have to look at each person's situation one-on-one and look at their job and the type of service they can render. For example, you can get credit on a student loan if you go into Vista for a while, which is the equivalent of the Peace Corps. But each person has to look at it one-on-one to determine whether there are any administrative solutions available. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney David Hagen in Woodland Hills, California at 818-869-4909 or visit him on the web at www.forbankruptcy.com.